Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the card not added error when adding an American Express card to Apple Wallet. So first, you need to make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Then open the Wallet app and try adding your American Express card again. You need to make sure the card details you're entering are correct and that the card is active. And if Apple Pay asks you to verify the card, then complete the verification process through American Express. You can also check that your Apple account is properly signed in and that the features required for Apple Pay, such as Face ID or a device passcode, are enabled. If the card still can't be added, then you need to contact American Express and ask whether your specific card is eligible for Apple Pay and whether there are any restrictions on the account. You can also contact Apple support if the issue appears to be related to your iPhone or wallet rather than the card itself. So that was how to troubleshoot the card not added error for American Express on Apple Wallet. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.